Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI and I want to talk about this amazing t-shirt that I got here. So this comes in different colors. This is Karma is a Cat. Any Swiftie fans out there, this t-shirt is so cool because if you look at it, it has cats on it. They are dressed towards Taylor's albums. It is so cute. Look at all these different cats. Anybody who knows Taylor Swift is a huge cat fan, so I found this t-shirt was pretty unique to have her albums and the cats dressed like it. It is so cute. This is great for anyone. It's unisex, so it's amazing. I love how stretchy this fabric is. It is so stretchy. It washes so well. I just love that it comes out looking brand new and it is such a nice shirt. The stitching on it is really well done as well. You have a nice neck space. The arms are super comfortable for anybody who just likes to have a nice t-shirt that is cozy. This is one that I suggest because I absolutely love it. I'm a huge cat fan too, and I'm a Swiftie, so this was really fun for me to have, but that's just my point of view.